Guys, what's up? Muhammad this side back with another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you are working with these Pakistani people and how they are just spoiling the air duct market, the carpet market. Okay, so see these picters. Okay, this Pakistani guy came to us and asked for us the leads, and we do not actually work with these people. Okay, so what we say them, okay, if you want to know that how we work, you can get our one-to-one consultation. That is for a few bucks. Okay, and of course they cannot afford it, okay, because they are just selling the jobs, and instead, like, they are just scamming the people in easy words. Okay, they don't know any ABC of the market either. So you can see like how these people work. Okay, and they just want everything for free. Okay, so if you think that they are legit, we get hundreds and hundreds of messages every single day of these lead people who come to us to generate leads. Okay, air duct cleaning is in the wrong hands right now. It's just because that you guys are giving them percentage, and this they're just spoiling the market. Okay, one of my client was fined approximately $10,000 just because these stupid lead people give them a lead, and it was like a fake name. And when the customer realized that the company name is different and the real company name is different, they did a dispute with them, and then it took it to the court. Choice is yours. Be aware of these scammers. Good luck.